Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Skyler. If you're new here, I'm a little small YouTube channel, and I do lifestyle and beauty vlogs, or just like little mini videos. So welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment what y'all want to see in the future. But anyways, today we are doing a video on a spring semester reset, or not even a reset, like a prep for college. I start college tomorrow, so I gotta prep. Not too much. I have a little list. I still have to add some stuff, so we're gonna go see that list right now. But right now I already took a shower. The house is clean. I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of moody, but it's fine. Like, I gotta push through the day. We have a busy day ahead. I kind of want coffee, but I kind of like the thought of coffee is kind of like making me sick. I kind of want like a green smoothie, because that sounds really good, but I don't even know where to get a green smoothie from that would be really good. But that's what I want. We're gonna go to Target. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. And then also I'm gonna get a facial today, and I'm super excited for that because just in time for Valentine's and just in time for the beginning of the spring semester. So come along with me. So on Canva I made this, what would you even call it? Like, I made this template so I can put this in front of my binder, just because I want to make it super cute, super organized, and actually look forward to taking out my binder and doing the work. So I made this little thing that just says spring semester and then the year. I had the plant. These are like neutral colors that I really like, so that's gonna be on top of here. Okay, so I'm wearing this top from Halara. It has this little cutout in the back, which is super cute. And then I thrifted these. I bought these, I think at Goodwill or Texas Thrift, I can't remember, but these are the Nike sweats. And then I'm just gonna wear my New Balances. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I got these for Christmas. Alright, so I got the green juice from Jamba Juice, and let's try it. I never tried this one. Let me not dirty my man's car. Guys, like, I didn't realize how much I missed my car until, I mean, I knew I was gonna miss my car, but I didn't realize how much I was gonna miss my car. I miss it so much. Let me tuck in my lonja. So I drive around either my grandpa's little truck or my man's car. Okay, let's try this. Hold on. This is so good. This is exactly what I was needing. All right, I'm in a much better mood. The start of this video was a little rocky. I was in like it's a week before my period. So the week before my period is like my mood changes. I feel sluggish, my body like bleh, you know. So, but I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm trying to be positive for myself and for you guys. So let's go to Office Max. It's down the street. It's just like the way the driving is here, it's kind of weird, but let's just go. All right, I just printed out my syllabus and my binder cover, and it came out super cute. Let me show y'all. Look at it. And the camera's kind of like blurring out the back of it, but like they're so cute. And then the rest is just like my syllabus, so that way I can highlight what's important and what I need to know or whatever, because I'm really trying to stay on top of it this semester, you guys. Like, I don't want to have anxiety about my assignments and stuff. Now I'm gonna save this and we're gonna go to Target. We're right on time, actually. It's 3:13. Let me check. Yeah 3:13. Remember, I have the facial at 5:30, so I'm just taking my time now. These are things, what do I do? Just get jamba and then Office Max, right? All right, let's go to Target. I don't know which one to get. I like this one, and I also like this one. I feel like white is too, like I have to keep it super clean. I don't know which one to get. And then they have these little mugs. They're so cute. I don't know yet. Yeah, I think I might get this one. I found the chair that I want. It's so beautiful. I want this chair for like the tech room instead of like a beanbag. But I think we're gonna get a beanbag before we get this chair. I don't even know how much it is. I think it's probably like $200-$300. No, I don't know how much it is. Is this the only one that they have? It's so cozy in here. Oh my goodness. First, they didn't have anything. Second, no registers open whatsoever. Okay, Walmart number 2. Like, why don't you have registers open? It's a long ass line. Like, I might be dramatic, but like, I don't know. But I had a little headache, so I got the spinach feta wrap. I got the last one. She was like, I don't think we have it, but let me go check. Oh, so hot. Alright, yeah, so I don't know how other YouTubers do it, or just the YouTubers that I watch don't live here. You know, they live in like LA, Atlanta. What other places do they live? Another person lives in California. I don't know where this other person lives, but like, it's just normal. Or this other person, okay, so this family that used to live in LA now lives in Houston. No, lives in Dallas. Yeah, lives in Dallas. And the first thing that they said was, in their first like couple videos that they made in Dallas, they're like, people look at you weird because why are you pulling out a camera? You know, why are you talking to a camera? Why are you looking at yourself? And like I guess like people here in Texas aren't used to seeing that. And so I live in San Antonio, and like, it's, you know, Dallas is not that far away. So like, I feel like it's the same thing. Like, you just don't see that many people, and it's just kind of weird, and you get looked at a lot. And so it's just kind of very, very frustrating in the beginning, I'm not gonna lie. When I stress out, my eye starts twitching. And my eye started twitching, but at the same time, this eyebrow started twitching. And I never experienced no eyebrow twitching. So when they were both twitching, I was like, oh my god, I'm stressing. But whatever, it finally calmed down. I calmed myself down because anxiety was through the roof. Like, whatever, I just turned off the camera and I just walked the other side of Target. Not even where I needed to be. But long story short, because I could talk all day and y'all know that, let's get into what I got at Target. Look, I got one of the tote bags. So this was just $3. I don't know if it's appearing white, but it's baby pink and it's super cute. Next, unnecessary purchase. Well, this was necessary. This was $5. 3-drawer organizer. This because on my desk, like, I need to upgrade it. Like, not that I need to upgrade it, like, it's not downgraded. I just need to add some stuff. Like, I want to put my pens, my expo markers, sticky notes, like stationery stuff. Because I have like this, it's not ugly, but like, I don't want it there. It's like a basket, a white basket. Damn, I sound all stupid. I have a basket on there, and like, I can't see everything. So on here, and it's clear. Like, I don't want color, I don't want black, I don't want white, I don't want pink. No, I just want clear. So they're like very good material, and this was the best one that I could find in great quality. So I got this one for $5. I think this is a perfect find for a perfect price. I've been liking green a lot. I got this wide ruled paper for my binder, and then I got this. They didn't have a lot of colors. I was gonna get white. I kind of want white still, but no, it's fine. Let's add some color to your life, Skyler. So I got green. I've been really loving green, like dark green. So like, not neon green, no, like dark green. And so I got, so I can label when I'm in class. I can just always take out this one, and depending on what class I'm in, I'll just switch to that subject. You know what I mean? So I just wanted everything compact, organized, and straight to the point. And that's my motto for this year. What did I say? Compact, straight to the point. Well, you know what I mean. And then they didn't have that many of these they didn't have that many of anything, really. Let's be for real. So these are the Sharpie pens S gel. The tips are 0.7, so they're just so pretty. And then the YouTuber that I watch, I forgot her name. Her name's Selena, I think. That woman stays in Washington, but I think she works for the government. I'm not sure, but her stationery is stopped here. So I got these because of her, and I really like them. Now it's already 4:49, and my facial's at 5:30. So let's check how far it is. Hopefully it's not that far, because from my house it was only 8 minutes. So we'll see. This Spanish feta wrap is hidden. It's bussin'. So from my house it was 8 minutes. From here it's 15 minutes. So I'ma just start heading over there now, and that way I can just chill out in my car until it's time. So I just wanted to talk to you guys before I actually went home. I just got done with my facial and I absolutely loved it. I feel super great. I feel more confident in my skin. I start school tomorrow, as you guys know. Tomorrow's Tuesday, and I automatically like already think of the makeup that I'm gonna wear, but I feel so confident in my skin right now that I don't even know if I want to wear makeup tomorrow, just to show off my glowy skin tomorrow. So I got the Valentine facial, and I was really excited. I didn't know what I was expecting. I mean, I didn't know what I was gonna get, but everything that was done to me, I absolutely loved it. She did let me know what areas I had trouble in. So I had a little bit of congestion on my chin and then my nose, but that's pretty normal and common. And she's also going to send over some serums, sprays, and some other products that she recommends me using, especially for my skin, or specifically for my skin. So I'm just really happy, and I wanted to check in with you guys before I got home. I know it's kind of late. It's 7:46. She took her time. She was very gentle. It was very clean. Loved it all. If you are in San Antonio, definitely check her out. You won't regret it. So now I'm on the Chick-fil-A line, and we're gonna get I'm gonna get a salad, and then my man's gonna get some chicken nuggets or a chicken sandwich. I don't know what he wants, but they're eating Chick-fil-A, and I was like, ooh, Chick-fil-A kind of sounds good. So I also want to get Chick-fil-A. So I'm back home, and I got my Chick-fil-A. I got a chicken salad, and it's super good. And one of the top highlights of my day today was someone said hi to me and recognized me from TikTok. So I thought that was super cool. If for whatever reason she ever comes across this video, she was really pretty and really sweet, and that just really made my day, because it just means a lot whenever you know that, like, whenever you know
that someone enjoys the content that you put out and enjoys you. She was like, I love you and I love your content, and that just really like brightened me, and she could tell that it like made my night. It's time to put everything together. I was gonna drink a brisk, but my man gave me his drink. So here's a little container, right, that I told you guys about. I can set it up now.
Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible.
Alright, you guys, good night. I keep trying to film this damn outro, but I don't like it. I'm just tired. I'm over the day. It was a great day. I'm so glad that I got everything done that I needed to do, checked everything off my list, and it just gives me like that satisfaction of crossing everything off. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you are entering college or entering a new spring semester, I hope it goes very well for you guys. Make sure y'all pass, stay organized, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.